Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, hope you guys know by looking at my background, I'm performing an engine oil change on my bike. So I'm gonna change engine oil and oil filter by self, and I have bought a clutch cable also. I'm not gonna put this because I'm gonna use it as a spare for my next ride, and I hope you have seen the unboxing video of this, and there's nothing much to say about it. It's 15W50 Castrol Power Cruise engine oil, and I have oil filter from Royal Enfield, and I have few of the tools here. You can see this is the basic tools, and for engine oil, the major bolt to remove that, it's of 19 mm. So I have the 19 mm spanner. Apart from that, I have my action camera also. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna wash my bike now. And what's the time now? Okay, it's 7:47 early morning. So I don't have Saturday off in my job. So I have to do this now because tomorrow morning I'm planning to go to Hoskote to have Hoskote special biryani. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna wash my bike. Okay, clean all the dust, the stain, whatever it is, and then I'm gonna remove the engine oil, let the engine oil drain, and then I'm gonna put this engine oil, the new engine oil, and I'm gonna change the oil filter. That's it. So keep watching, and hope you guys enjoy this video, and do give me your feedback and suggestion, the better way I can improve, what best would have been done, and I need your support guys, wherein you guys have helped me in reaching 46,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support. Do help me in uploading more and more videos, and please give me some of the tips so I can improve in my channel. And check out my all the 3 channels: Abhilash VR, Royal Legend Motorcycle Club, and Abhilash Gowda Vlogs. The entire setup is ready to perform an oil change, and it's time to wash my bike first. So guys, washing is done now. I'm gonna make it dry, then I'm gonna shift my bike over there near the Dio, and I'm gonna change the engine oil. So guys, the washing is done. It's kind of, almost 90% neat and clean. Okay, so it's time to start the vehicle, heat the engine, and then drain the excess oil. Right now I've set up everything. I've added some newspaper at the bottom. Okay, and the engine is heated up now. It's time to remove the bottom bolts, all the 3 bolts. I'm going to show you. This is of 18, and the rest this is of 8, and this is of 12, and this is of 8. So first we're going to remove the bottom bolt. Uh, so guys, it's time to clean this nuts and bolts and the filters. So I'm gonna use a kerosene. So guys, to prevent oil leakage, I have used the Teflon tape at the end of all the bolts and nuts. It's not necessary, but still I'm just doing it. So I really don't want any kind of leakage after installing everything. I'm just cleaning all the bolt and nuts, and I'm applying this Teflon tape. I didn't have a funnel, so I have to cut the coconut bottle and use it as a funnel. And first wipe the oil.
the complete oil change part is done. You can see the engine oil now. So initially I was not able to see the engine oil when it's in stop condition. It was showing as complete empty. Literally there was no oil at all on this gauge. I couldn't see, but now I've changed the oil. Let's start the engine and see the difference. Time to start the engine. So it's a one kick start. There is no issue, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video, as this was engine oil change, which you can do it by yourself. You don't have to take it to a mechanic or a service center to get the engine oil change, where you can do it by yourself. So I've done this, and thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys liked my video, and anything, please let me know in the feedback section and in the comment section. So please do give me a feedback so I can improve on it. That's it, guys, and catch you in my next videos. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.